And then number two is our charities. That's something close to Mom and I's heart. Mom will elaborate on the charity because that's definitely something close to her heart as well.
I can just say that this weekend was awesome. We had Lose Our Kiddos. That's a charity organization that we support. We had their year-end function, their Christmas party. And I tell you what, first of all, I mean, it's the first time that I drove out there on my own, and you drive in between these sugar plantations and up the hill and down the hill and in the valley and up the valley. I mean, it was totally amazing just to see where these people live and then to see how they live. I mean, I was so shocked and blown away. We are so privileged. And then when we arrived there, the kiddies all come running to me, give me a hug. It was so nice. And those smiles when they got their presents from Father Christmas, it was just totally amazing. And it just made it all worth it. And I mean, to think that through this community, we can support charity. What a blessing. What a blessing. In South Africa, all you have to do is just join because part of the money goes to charity.